Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany, obviously, and this is my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. First of all, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, my new subscribers, and my OG subscribers. And also just thank you guys for your support, love, comments, DMs, everything on my latest video. I feel so encouraged. That video took a lot of vulnerability and I kind of just filmed it kind of without thinking, but after I posted the video I was kind of like, oh my god, the next morning I was like, what did I do? Should I take it down? I don't know. But you guys were DMing me and commenting and just really encouraging me, and it gave me confirmation that that's where the video is supposed to be, here on my channel. And so I just want to thank you guys for that support. It does help a little bit just to know that you are not the only one going through what you're going through. And when it comes to mental health, there's such a stigma, there's such a stereotype around it, but we have to realize that everyone deals with something, you know, and so it's okay. It's gonna be okay. And for me, I'm not the type of person to sulk in my struggles, in my hardships. I want to work to overcome them. And so I want to help to encourage you guys and empower you guys to be able to overcome your struggles as well. So that is all that it's about. I will continue sharing my journey on everything. I still, you know, deal with the same things every day. You know, every day it's just a adventure of its own. Let's just put it that way. It's not easy, but I'm just thankful to be alive. And if you guys want to see this hair, today I did this elongated wash and go, meaning that usually my wash and go falls about here, usually shoulder length, even a little bit shorter sometimes, just depending, but now my wash and go is sitting here, which is the lengthening, elongated effect of this hair. I really am in love with it because, like I said, I'm growing out my hair and I really love to see just the length. You know, I like to be able to experience the growth, and I know sometimes with shrinkage, our hair is growing, but it doesn't always seem like it. So here are some tips in this video to help you get a more elongated wash and go. The products I use, the technique I use, the way that I dried my hair, all of that is included in this video for you. So if you guys want to see how I was able to elongate my hair and get a longer laying, falling wash and go, then just keep watching this video. Okay, so I have my hair, it's clean, slightly damp. So I have my spray bottle, obviously, and then I have just some products. So let's talk about what I'm going to use, because this is going to be a whole new world. We're going to hope it turns out good. If it doesn't, you probably will never see this. But I'm going to start off, obviously, with water. Then I'm going to go in with the Pattern Beauty leave-in conditioner. This is probably the last usage I could get out of this because it's like down to here, but I will say I do like this leave-in, so I will probably repurchase it. I actually ended up finding it, no, I think I bought this one at Ulta, but I ended up finding a bunch of other products at Marshall's or Home Goods, or not Home Goods, or TJ Maxx. I think it was Marshall's though. So definitely check there for Pattern Beauty products because I do find them there sometimes. Then I'm going to go in with the Hold Me Softly Style Balm by Curlsmith, and I think I have a bigger size of this. I really do. This is very moisturizing. I just like this product. I know I'm trying to stop using Curlsmith products in every video, but it's really hard because I just like them that much. Anyways, I'm going to use this, and then I'm either going to go in with the Curlsmith Curl Defining Souffle, Styling Souffle, or because I'm doing like an elongated wash and go, I was thinking about using the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. So I think I might go with this one. Maybe the Hold Me Softly Style Balm with the Don't Shrink, and maybe that'll just be like sufficient. We shall see. I'm trying to decide with if I should keep the middle part because it's elongated, my bangs shouldn't really be a problem. I'm trying to grow them out. You guys know I'm growing my hair out, so I don't know. I think I still want to do a side part though, because last time I did a side part and it was giving. So I think we're gonna do a side part. Yeah? What do you guys think? Yeah? Okay, let's do it. Hold on, let me get some clips and stuff. I'm so unprepared. I'm so sorry, you guys. but it is what it is. Instead of working from back to front, I think I'm gonna work from side to side. We gotta switch it up, you know? We can't be boring. We really have to just, you know, keep ourselves guessing with our own life, you know? Never know what to expect from yourself. That's the key right there. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna split this section. I'm gonna take my ring off. As much as I would love to keep my ring on, it just gets so gunked up with product, and I just rather not. We went to the pumpkin patch today with the kids, and they went with Daniel's parents. We went with them, and it was a fun time. I didn't even grab a brush or anything. I'm going to go grab that here in a second. But one of the keys to elongating is not like too much water. So usually I would completely soak this, but I'm just going to leave it like damp like that. That way it doesn't have as much moisture to cause it to like just draw up as short. So that's what we're going to do. I feel a little deflated that I'm so unprepared, but it's going to be fine. I feel confident that it's going to be fine. The Tangle Teaser it detangles my hair so effortlessly. So that's the reason I love it. I feel like it's literally too wet. Hold on. Let's squeeze some. Wow. The fact that is so... I clearly did not get all the conditioner out of my hair. Okay. Because that was a lot of product, unless it was just from the brush. No. That was... Oh, you know what? There might be leave-in conditioner inside of this water bottle. Okay, that would help explain things. I'm like, why is that milky and white? Oh my gosh! I chipped a nail. Let's do this. I don't have time to waste. My sister's gonna be here any minute. All right. Pattern Beauty leave-in. All right. It just smells really good. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. It smells very good. Like, very good. High quality hair products. Next, what did I say? Hold Me Softly Style Balm by Curlsmith. A little of that. I love the way Curlsmith products smell. They smell so good. The Aunt Jackie's Elongating Flaxseed Gel. And apply it to the section. Now, what I'm going to do is use this pulling out motion to kind of just like encourage it to be defined. Next, I'm going to brush my hair out, but not in a way to where I'm trying to like, I guess like, you know, curve it and define. I'm just going to kind of like let it be. Like that. I'm just going to let it be. That's it. I feel like I need more gel though, because I kind of will just do the praying hands over that. Yes. Okay. Like that. We're going to keep going. I don't know. There we go. Okay. Coming from a bun is honestly like one of the best ways to do an elongated wash and go, because the hair is already stretched out, and putting like minimal water on it really helps to keep it elongated. So obviously the water would cause it to shrink back up, but when you don't put too much, it kind of helps keep the elongated look. So that's what I'm going for here today. And then I'm going to scrunch only the very ends. Now, when you get to the top of your head, I'm not one of those people that just only wants their hair to look good just from the front. I mean, I want my hair to look good from every angle in the back, because, I mean, what happens when you turn around? You know what I'm saying? Some people I've seen where they just, like, only really care about the front of their hair, And the back looks kind of crazy. Like, ladies, we want the back of our hair to look good too. Because I already had it pulled back in that ponytail, it kind of already tamed the frizz. Like, you see how that's not very frizzy? Like, it's because I already had it pulled back in the slick back. So that's a little hack, you know? Almost a little hack. Like, if you have your hair pulled back first, then it kind of like helps minimize some of the frizz in a way if you don't get your hair like too wet. So just keep that in mind. I think I need a little bit more leave-in. So I'm only scrunching like just to get, you know, the parts that were completely flattened by the slick back to curl. But this looks relatively good, and like my hair is not soaking wet at all. It's just mainly, you know, a little bit more than damp, I would say, you know. I have to be honest right now. I do not know when my camera cut out and stopped filming me doing my hair. The good news for you, my people, my friends, is that I already told you everything that I was doing. But the last thing that I did once all the product was in my hair is I just twisted my finger around random pieces. Just kind of trying to get like a little bit more extra definition at the ends, because I feel like that's what's going to make my hair look good and not frizzy. And then I did a scrunch only at the ends. Only at the ends. I didn't want to go all the way up to the roots and scrunch, because that's going to make my hair shrink. So I'm just scrunching the ends because I want the beautiful spiral curls at the bottom, and I want it elongated throughout here. So I'm going to go get my diffuser, excuse me, and I'm going to diffuse my hair in a way that will allow it to still have the elongated style that it has. Again, I don't know where the video cut out, but it was very rude of you to do that video. I'm not really appreciating that, but it's fine. I will continue on in the hope of becoming America's next top model. I have a problem. I gotta go. Let me get my diffuser. So with the diffusing, guys, all I'm really doing is keeping it in one spot and in place. I'm not doing anything to where I'm like cupping my hair up with the diffuser and lifting it up towards my scalp. I'm not doing like the scrunching method with the diffuser. I'm just keeping everything in one spot, and I'm just laying the diffuser flat on top of my hair, whether it's from underneath, from the side, from the top. I'm just keeping it in the way that I want my hair to dry, which is more elongated, which is why I'm not going to be, you know, lifting my hair up towards my scalp. So that's like the basic technique. You guys can watch me do it with a little bit of music, but that's what I do. But once it's dry, I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so my mic also hasn't been on for who knows how long. Everything is going right. Everything is working right for me. Selah. Anyways, guys, so my hair is like 98% dry. It's slightly damp, but I definitely think it's definitely elongated based on how my hair normally turns out. I will insert a little clip from my last video when I did a wash and go and I used a brush to define my curls. This is a completely different look and I like it. Sometimes I just want more length. Now you guys can see some of the pieces that are like kind of clumped together, like the curls, and that's because I did the finger twirly thing just at the end, just to kind of help with the definition, because my hair is elongated. You can see where I pulled it at the roots here and blow dried it a little. It's kind of more straight here, so that's just kind of how it looks. That definition. Okay, combination. That was a good combination. See, I really went with my gut when I was picking the products. I was like, what am I going to use? This video is very unplanned, but I'm just going to shake it out. Just for a little extra volume. My hair is shiny. My hair is defined. My hair has decent volume, especially for being day one, and it's elongated. I mean, what more could a girl ask for? But I really think that not putting too much water in my hair, not using any type of Denman brush, any type of, what's the other brush I was using last week? The, oh Lord, here we go again. Not me forgetting stuff. Hold on. I don't know. You know the one I'm talking about. The one that I used last week, and just no nothing. Like no nothing, no coiling, no finger, like nothing, only at the ends. And this is like really beautiful. It looks and feels so good. Honestly, you guys, I just want to say thank you guys for all of your support, all of your love. To all of my new subscribers, welcome to the family. We are going to be here on this channel every single week, just being real, talking about real life, talking about natural hair, talking about motherhood, talking about whatever y'all want to talk about, you know? And so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next one.